Hello there.
So how to create an account on Degiro. The first step is to go to their website and click on create an account and then select your local website. Afterwards, you will need to select a valid email address, username, password, and click on open an account. A verification mail will be then sent to you to verify your email and allow you to move to the next step, which is personal information and ID verification. You will need to give your name, last name, your country, phone number, current resident address. After giving all these information, you will need to move on to the app, which will allow you to verify your ID. You will have to give the followings: country that issued your ID, an ID form and uploaded, document information, birth information, a picture verification and location verification, if you have any dual nationality, if you are a US citizen or resident, occupation information, and finally, a bank account in your name. Once all this long list of information is given, then your ID and account will be verified. This takes around 2 to 3 working days. Once this is done, you can move on to the second step, which is tax information. You'll have to procure your tax residency, aka where you pay taxes, and your TIN, which is the tax identification number, which in Belgium, for example, is an 11-digit number on the back of your ID. Afterwards, you get to choose your account, which is a very important step as it cannot be changed in the future. There are two types of account, the basic and custody. I won't go into too much detail, but the main difference is that on the custody account, your shares aren't subject to be lent by Degiro to a third party. However, it cannot be upgraded to an active, trader, or day trader account and is subject to different conditions and fees. Personally, I have gone for the basic account. Once your account type has been chosen, you'll have to read and accept documents regarding the investment service and license agreement. If you agree with them, then you will be able to sign your contract. Your account is therefore created. However, you still need to connect a bank account. This step will require you to input your banking information. It must be a bank account in your name and wire a minimum of 1 cent to your Degiro account. Once the money has arrived to your account, you will receive 2 mails, a receipt and one to activate your account, allowing you to take an appropriateness test, which, don't worry, you can take as many time as you want until you pass. Once this is done, you'll arrive on the Degiro platform and you will be ready to invest. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment.